Commissioner Mendoza, ano ho ang way forward natin dito? Kasi pati po mga small businesses, family-owned eatery, restaurant, family-owned na mga ikang grocery store, pinatos pa rin po. I thought LOAs are only for major corporations, medium enterprises. Family-owned, gas station, eatery, grocery store, family-owned, mula Apari hanggang Davao. Ang dami yung nagrereklamo sa amin, punong-puno na. Kung magtatayo lang ko siguro, libo na rin siguro. I suggest, Secretary Go and yourself, magtayo rin po na isumbong kay Secretary o isumbong kay Commissioner. Mapupuno po yung email niyo. But anyway, pwede bang patigilin ho muna ito? I mean, tinigil lang ho, pero pati mga small businesses, kailangan man tamaan nito. Small veterinary clinic sa Quezon City, tinamaan. Halos lahat po eh. Hindi lang po malalaki, you're saying, Attorney Lumagi, pari yung instruction mo yung mga big businesses talagang to force them. Pero yung mga family-owned businesses, mga small businesses, dapat hindi na po. Ano ho ang take nyo rito, Commissioner Mendoza?
Yeah, Mr. Chair, technically ho, legally, wala naman hong limitation as to which type of taxpayers can be subjected to audit. So, regardless whether malaki ka or maliit, if you are perceived to be committing tax evasion or you are not paying the correct taxes, pwede ka po talagang ma-audit.